I'm back. Welcome to Travel, where I vlog about my artistic creation and creative journey. In this video, I'm making my own stamps. It is my first time trying stamp carving, so I failed a lot. But it's okay, at least I learned new things and give you some tips. Now let's start. This video is just my personal experience of stamp carving. I'm just a newbie and I'm still learning, so the result is not perfect yet. But the process is somehow meditative, and seeing how it turns out gives me a pleasant feeling. I've learned many new things, so I want to share with you guys. I really hope those tips helpful and this video inspire you to DIY your own stamp. If the stamp doesn't look perfect as it's supposed to be, no worry, you're not alone. Remember, practice makes perfect, so I will definitely get back with stamp carving videos soon. Here's the demo for my package, and this would be the thank you card. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching till here. Don't forget to subscribe to Chowell and give the video a like and a comment. If you want me to try any art supplies or DIY things, let me know in the comment section below, or just come and say hi. I'll come back next week with more shorts and videos, I promise. See ya!